Ditch the drips with this clever oil dispenser. Hey everyone, imagine barbecue season. Grill marks perfect, food styled like a culinary masterpiece. If you crave that level of precision, say hello to your new best friend, the oil dispenser bottle with barbecue brush. This bad boy combines two vital kitchen tools into one awesome gadget. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Gone are the days of messy countertops and oil spills. This dispenser lets you coat your steak or pastries without dripping chaos. It's a glass bottle that doubles up as an easy breeze basting brush. Makes you a kitchen pro without trying too hard. How's it possible? The secret sauce, silicone brush. Heat resistant and super flexible, it hugs every texture, ensuring even coverage. Whether it's olive oil, melted butter, or barbecue sauce, consider it handled. Keep things clean and crisp with easy assembly for serious scrubbing action. Dishwasher safe? Check. How about using it for camping? Oh yeah, it's that versatile. Imagine flexing at your next barbecue or family dinner, showcasing perfectly glazed foods as guests ooh and ah. Snag this marvel through the link in our description. You know you want to.